Hello friends, welcome to Indian Mom's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press on the bell icon for notifications for every new video that I upload. The festival season in India is starting in full swing soon. And because of the lockdown and none of the sweet shops are open, here is an easy sweet recipe. It looks and tastes like motichur, but it's made out of lapsi rava or broken wheat. To begin, take in 1 cup of lapsi rava, washed it 3 to 4 times and kept it to drain. In a pan, I've heated 2 tablespoons of ghee. Put in the broken wheat or lapsi rava. Saute it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Then add 2 cups of water. For every cup of lapsi, 2 cups of water is used. To this add a pinch of salt to balance flavors. A little food color. I'm adding kesari color here, you can even use yellow. Allow the mixture to come to a boil. Then on medium flame, cook it while stirring continuously. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes for the water to evaporate. To this then add 1 cup of sugar. One teaspoon of cardamom powder. Some chopped cashew nuts or kaju, kishmish or raisins. Mix everything together. Cook on high flame till the mixture becomes semi-thick. Remove this laddu mixture from the flame and allow it to cool. As the mixture keeps cooling, it will harden up more and be more firm to the touch. Start shaping the laddus when the mixture is still warm. The super yummy, healthy, broken wheat laddus are ready to eat. From 1 cup of lapsi rava or broken wheat, you can get approximately 20 big laddus. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.